beautiful people, I'm Jess and this is Jess Budgets. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing a quick budget with me and a cash envelope stuffing. I'm going to be stuffing my variable expenses for the pay period, and if that's something that you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. I will be using this budget breakdown printable. This is from Abbytriestobudget. If you're not following her, you should definitely check her out. I'll leave her info down below. And this is what it looks like. So we are budgeting for the month of March 2022. Craziness. And we are working with, how much money are we working with? We are working with $333 that we are going to divide among our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. So bills we've already covered, debts we already covered. So this is the breakdown that we're doing. This sheet is awesome because she covers everything. Savings challenges, sinking funds, savings. So you could literally use this and break down the money into each individual fund that you have. So for my cash envelopes, I have groceries, I have gas, I have spending, I have a few more than she offers. So I'm going to my cash envelopes. So we have spending, then we have household. I also have miscellaneous, and I also have food. So from here down, I put it down there, but it's really up here. I have a regular corrective tape. Because last time I had a mess. This is for me, and I know this is part of my cash envelope, so it's okay. So I'm gonna pull out my calculator, and I have $333 that I'm working with. For groceries, I am getting $100 for groceries this week. So that leaves me with $233. Then for gas, I am doing $40. So I have $193 left. So then I am putting into spending. For spending, I'm doing $50. So $143. Then for household, I am doing $5. Then I am doing another $5. Then $5 for miscellaneous, so I'm at $128. And for food, I'm gonna do $20 in case we stop at McDonald's or something. So I have $333, so I'm gonna tally this up and see how much that is. Is $220. So I'm gonna put it here, color code it just so I know. That's that, and then so I have 220. So 333 minus 220 is 113. So that means that I have $113 to focus on my sinking funds. Sorry guys, I do apologize. This whole time I wasn't zoomed in, but I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see the totals. So for groceries we did 100, for gas we did 40, for spending we did 50, for household we did 5, for miscellaneous we did 5, for food we did 20, and that gave us a total of $220. We did so we did 333 minus 220, and that gives us 113. And that's how much we are dividing among our sinking funds. So now that we're zoomed in, that's a little easier to see. I'm going to start off with car. I'm putting in $20 at least into that. So I'm going to subtract that. Then that leaves me at $93. So I'm going to do another 20 for new car. So that leaves me at 73. Then I like getting rid of that random 3. So I'm gonna put the $3 towards my dog's fund. So now I have an even 70 with, well, 70 is not even, but you know what I mean. A rounded number. So then I have $70. So I did want to put some into investing so that I can add to my Roth. So I'm going to put at least $10 I was thinking. So that gives me 60. Then I wanted to put some into vacation to see if we can get a vacation in this year. So at least $20 there. So I'm at 40. Then I do need to add to clothes. I'm gonna put at least 15, maybe 15. Yeah, I'll do 15. So that gives me $25. Then I haven't stuffed into Christmas. So let's do Christmas. And Christmas, I'm gonna do 10. So that gives me $15 left. And then I haven't put anything into our personal like funds. So I think I'm gonna put into my daughter, my son, and then my fund. I have $15, so I'll just give each of us $5, make it even. And that should be 113 if I did my math correctly. Let me tally this up just to make sure. 113. So yeah, 113. And because I color coded that one, let me just color code this. And then that way I know that, and then that should give me a total of $0. So then if I do 220 plus 113, that is 333, which is the total that we had to start with. That's that, and this is our breakdown. All right, so I have the money, and I'm gonna sort it so that I can count it. All right, there we are. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 215, 220. So 220 is how much we are putting into our cash. $220 that we are going to put into our variable expenses. And I have my envelope here, and we're just going to separate the money. Just going to lay it out. And I have my cash envelope here, and we are starting off with gas, and gas is getting $40. So I'm going to do 20. So I have 20, 40. So $40 for gas. Then we have groceries, and groceries is getting $100. I'm going to use that 50, 70, 90, and a 10. So that's 100. So I have 100 to put into groceries. Next up I have is food, and food is getting $20, and we're just going to grab a 20 and put that in there. And then next up I have spending, and spending is getting $50. So I'm going to do a 20, 30, 40, and 50. So $50 into spending. Household is getting $5. So I currently have a 10. So if we add a 5, we have 10, 15. So I'm putting that 15 into household. And then lastly, we have miscellaneous, and miscellaneous currently has 10, 15, 16, 17, and I am adding in $5. So we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. So we have $22 in miscellaneous. And then lastly is family. Family is not getting any money, but it currently has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. $13. And lastly we have BJ's, and BJ's has, it should have 107, so that's 50, 70, 90, 100, 105, 106, 107. So 107 in our BJ's envelope. And we are not scheduled to go. I think maybe in 2 weeks time I'll be making a run to BJ's. So that is it for my cash envelopes. That sums up my cash stuffing. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. If you are new, I would love for you to consider becoming a subscriber and joining me on my debt-free journey. If you're returning and coming back, I appreciate you stopping by and watching my videos, taking time out of your day to do that. Please leave questions, comments down below. I love to get to know you all better and chat with you all. And that's it. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.